Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Blackview tab 12 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the app which will provide us with the keyboard. So for example, the messages, notes, browser, whatever. Oh my god, okay. Just have the keyboard on the screen, so let me enter new note, and basically if you've got the keyboard, we have to enter the settings. If you cannot find them here, no worries, 3 dots icon and they will appear. You will be able to enter them easily. So let me tap on it and pick languages. This is the list of currently added languages, so let's add new one, tap on add keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards or languages basically from which we can choose. So as you can see, this list is so wide, you don't have to scroll in order to find yours. You can simply tap on the search icon and find the language. I will pick Urdu, so after finding, just tap on it. Sometimes you will be able to pick the region, so also tap. And here we've got the section where we can pick keyboard mode or keyboard layout. And it also depends on the language. So sometimes you will be able to pick only 1 or 2, and sometimes up to even 5 or 7 different keyboard types. So let's pretend I want only this one to be applied. So let me mark it and untick this option. I want to disable that. Let's tap on done if you're ready, and as you can see, we've got the Urdu language applied. So now let's go back to the keyboard, and here we've got two differences. The first one, the globe icon, which will act just like a language key, so we will be able to change the language. And right here we've got the spacebar, where we've got the name of the language we're currently using. So right now I'm typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the Urdu one. In the same situation, after tapping again, we've got English. So basically this is how to add the language to a keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you don't really need like 2 or 3 different languages added. You just want to have one which is different than your system language. So in order to do that, we have to enter the settings again, tap on the languages, and here from this tab, just tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, mark the language you'd like to remove, and trash bin icon. We've got only English left. And after getting back to the keyboard, you can see that first of all, we do not have the globe icon and the spacebar is empty, which simply means that we've got only one language applied. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your Blackview tab 12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.